Hi everyone, today I'll guide you through the basics of using Nearpod with a free account. Nearpod is a powerful tool that allows educators to create interactive and engaging lessons. Let's get started. First, head to nearpod.com. If you don't already have an account, click on Sign Up for Free. You're going to have an option to sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft, sign up with Clever, sign up with ClassLink, or you just add in your email. I'm going to sign up with Google. Once you sign up, it's going to show you to your dashboard. On the left side of your dashboard, you see my lessons, my profile, reports, school library, Nearpod library, and teacher resources. You have a search bar up here at the top, and you have the option to create lessons using this button towards the center or up on the right hand corner. For now, we are going to create a lesson. To create a lesson, you are going to click on Create a Lesson, and then you will have an option on what type of lesson you want to create. If you want to create something from scratch, create a lesson that you already previously made. It could be through your Google Drive or a PowerPoint, or explore the Nearpod library. There's a gold feature here that you can use a Google Slides add-on, but for now we are just sticking with the free features. And I would like to create a lesson from scratch. Once you click to create a lesson, you'll enter the Nearpod editor where you can add slides, videos, activities, and more. Right now, I just want to add a quick slide. Add the title for the slide. And I would like to add an image to my slide. And you have the option to upload an image through your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or through your cloud. I am going to upload through my Google Drive, and it's going to ask me for permission to enter my drive. And then voila. So now that I have my slide ready to go, I would like to add an interactive activity for my students to participate in. So I would click up on the right hand corner, add content and activities, and here you are able to add several interactive features such as videos, virtual field trips. There's some quizzes and games such as multiple choice, memory, testing, matching a pair, or several discussion boards, open-ended questions, taking a poll, or a collaborative board. Right now, I want to make a collaborative board. So I'm going to click on that and click on the blue add button, and it's going to create a slide for my collaborative board. And now I will tap what topic do I want the students to be discussing about. Now you just need to click and add your prompt and customize any settings that you need. I would like to add an image just to give a student a visual of the prompt. Uploaded right there. And once you are done, you go ahead and click on Save and Exit, and your lesson will appear in your library. To present it, you are going to click on the lesson, click on Teach, and you have the option for a live participation for real-time interaction or student pace for independent work. So after you are done with your lesson, you can end your session, and it will save the activities and interactions that the students had, And after your lesson, you can go to Reports tab on your dashboard and you can click on the lesson to see all the students' activities. So, who was in your lesson, the activities that were in the lesson, and you can see the student responses by going to the board. And you're able to see the student's response. You can go back and you can see the students' individual responses. And that is it. With a free Nearpod account, you can create engaging lessons, monitor students' progress, and make learning interactive. Thank you for watching and happy teaching!